Today we're going to be making some window covers for the camper van out of this stuff here, which we got off Facebook Marketplace for only $50, 9.5 meters. It's going to be great. The first thing we're going to need to do is make a paper template for the window covers. What's that for? Weight. Denise is just cutting around the template, but allowing a little bit of extra room, so we've got plenty more than we need. Done.
Right, do you want to go and test it? That's open. Okay, so I need to take it off.
No, it's too low down the bottom there.
Yeah. Oh, it's not quite right. I'm coming from this corner.
Yep, that's all right.
So it just needs to come off across here.
Yep.
Do I go get the scissors?
Yep.
Just leave the camera going if you want.
It needs a little bit of slack there as well, obviously. But, yeah, a little bit extra, so it's not too short. I would have to say that's pretty much perfect, Denise. Isn't it? Great.
A little bit big there, but I don't think it matters.
Is it staying in place?
Yeah, it actually helps it stay in place.
Okay. Okay, well we need another one of those then.
Yeah.
Now I've got some black gaffer tape which could go on the outside, but you reckon it's not going to...
Well, if you want black fabric on it.
Well, the gaffer tape could hold the black fabric in place. We don't have to glue it on. The first one fits. Now we're making an exact replica for the other window on the opposite side. We've got the first one cut, now it's time to mark out the second one, the little windows, and we're going to do 2 of these. Hopefully this one will fit. We've done all the windows, we've got some black fabric, and Denise is just cutting out some black fabric to go over these. We're going to connect it with some gaffer tape, should be all good to go.
Okay, so I'm going to fold it over on the edges, so I need you to put the tape on.
Okay. This is what it looks like on the front, and this is what it looks like on the back. So we just use gaffer tape to put it around there, and it should be good to go. This will be the inside view and the black on the outside view. let's go and put it in. Here we go. I can't see a thing. I can see that one there, but this one, well, it's black. It's gone.
Oh, wow.
Look,
Cool.
it's black, right? You can see that.
Yeah.
But this, nothing.
It just looks like a dark car.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And there we have it. So we've still got to cover some of these in fabric yet, but we have cut out all the window inserts. There's a small bit of light coming through the rear vision mirror, which we're going to have to deal with somehow. But once the fabric's on the main thing and there's a bit of gaffer tape around there, maybe we can just tidy that up a little bit. But the rest of it, pretty hard to see any gaps here. That's just a reflection of the outside light. What else we got? Same again, street lights. There is a gap up here. Going to have to deal with that. So this window is not the best one out of the lot by the looks of things. A little bit of light there. Pretty minimal really. We're going to have a look inside. That's what we got going on. So she's pretty bright in there. Overall, pretty happy with this. There we go. We've spent $50 so far. We bought the Reflectix, or the equivalent of a Reflectix. This one's called Silverzone. I have no idea where it's made, but we did get it off Facebook Marketplace. It cost $50. Normal retail, I looked it up. For that amount of Reflectix, Silverzone, it would have cost about $120. So we got a good deal. It was brand new, nothing wrong with it. It's working. All we've done is supplied a little bit of time, bit of gaffer tape, bit of elbow grease, not too much really. And Denise had the fabric, so that cost us nothing. She got it for free anyway. It's all good. Anyway, check out the next episode. We'll be doing some more. Next time we'll be making a bed. See how that goes. Thanks for sticking around. We'll catch you later.